Kera mai tātou, ko kōwhairoa te maunga o whangaroa te moana, wai rākau te awa, Te Komanga Marae, kai tangata te hapu, ko rātia Kingi tōkuna ingoa. Overall, I project the Whangaroa J4N kaupapa for in behalf of Te Komanga Marae. So the kaupapa for the J4N in this area is pest control, which entails cutting tracks, dispersing traps and toxins to reduce the number of pests within the wider reserve. When we first started, approximately every trap that we had set had an animal in it, and we had to go clearing our traps weekly. We have seen the increase of the bird life. We've seen the undergrowth start to regenerate, and we're seeing more seeds on the ground from the trees that have had the ability to fruit. I guess, what would I like it to be with? Probably the beginning of time, with all the old trees back in place. Bearing in mind back then that all they saw a tree for was timber. We today see the tree as the vitality of the ngahere. I'm just enthralled to be engaged in this mahi. It's not about me, it's about my mokopunas, of having the ability to see a kukupa sitting above them, the fantails dancing around them. There has to be a better method of telling our story, of what our taiao can look like without the predator.